Review and analyze AI impact assessments for workflow changes. Discover how to explore, regenerate, and track AI-driven impact analyses for workflow updates and project stories. Open a project to view impact on your requirements. Jump to the Workflows section using the sidebar to explore process automations and integrations. Select Stories under Requirements to view all defined project functionalities and track progress. Click a story ID to dive into full details and editing options for a specific workflow change. Switch to the Impact Analysis tab to instantly assess how changes affect your workflows and dependencies. Tap Regenerate to refresh the AI-powered impact analysis with the latest data and insights. Open the AI Impact Analysis section for a concise overview of detected workflow changes and suggestions. Access Impact Analysis to see up-to-date recommendations and ensure your workflow decisions are data-driven. View history to trace every update and maintain full auditability of your AI impact assessments. Select an analysis version to instantly review a prior assessment, compare, confirm, or restore changes anytime. And your assessment is ready. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos from SpurQuality.